Oh, you did? Oh, okay.
Welcome to Isle of Vibe. My name's Sonny.
I'm Trinell.
And today we're in Burbank.
And we're about to eat and park.
What he said.
Eat and park.
So this place is known for breakfast and omelets and some crazy ass breakfast food. Come check it out.
How about now? We're good? Cool.
What's up, everybody? It's been a long day.
We just got started.
No, I haven't. They just got started. I've been going.
Man, so yeah, we're at Eden Park today. Amazing food right in Burbank off Buena Vista.
Let me just mention right off the bat, man, when you're looking for like people to come out here and help you and serve you the right way, this place by far on top of this list, man. Like this servers here are super
And anybody that's walked by so far has been like that. So shout out to Greg, thank you for having us, but I'm ready to, he recommended most of the dishes, you know what I'm saying?
And we got most of his recommendations.
Most of the recommendations, you know? Except I went with the chicken and waffles. That wasn't really recommended, but I feel like that's a given, you know?
But he brought out biscuits. So they make the biscuits here, and these are like fresh biscuits. Look at this. Like that one's opened already.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this one.
So I'm gonna go ahead and crack one open.
Slather it. A little butter.
So
I like a little biscuits with my butter.
Like I like biscuits and gravy. That's my business. Let's try this biscuit.
You ever done a biscuit challenge? But make sure you have a side of water.
No. Or OJ. But biscuits and gravy is my business. This would taste really well in their gravy.
Does it hold up to that gravy? Want to get some gravy? All right.
What'd you get, bro?
Without further ado. Yeah, chicken and waffles. So, bam. Let's get that. I'm not cutting all the stuff up the way I normally do because I don't care.
Chicken looks good.
Yep. So give you little tenders, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh,
dip that bad boy. See that, Tim?
Round or square? Wow.
Yep. Oh, sorry. I approve. Fire.
Well, it's got like perfect tenderness, and then it's got that crunch from the breading on there.
Tender, soft.
So good.
It's moist.
Soft.
Soft.
Soft like fish.
Chicken's so soft here.
You want some waffle or you go?
I'm good on the waffle. But
Sonny's waiting to get to these eggs over here.
So I got the California. This is Greg's recommendation, and he
said if it's California, you got to get bacon.
Yeah. So this is called the California. It's got avocado, it's got American cheese, it's got bacon because I added it, and then it's got potatoes.
When he said they're fire, he said, "Do you trust us with the potatoes?" I'm like, "Yeah. Who doesn't like potatoes?"
So I feel like this is something that you got to mash up together. You gotta get a bite of everything, right? I'm gonna get one of these forks really quick from my assistant, Chanel.
How am I doing today?
I'm gonna go ahead and give this a little pop. So this is like the OG bottles.
Is that the 47? What is it, Heinz?
Yeah.
57?
57. So also this place has been around here for a while and I didn't even know.
1982.
Yeah, 1982. So it used to be an A&W, like, you know, with the roller skates. They go out and serve you in the car. And then like 1982, they took over and they've owned it ever since. It's been under the same family since 1982.
Which is dope. So definitely support your local businesses, family-owned businesses.
Definitely support your local businesses.
But it's a good, cool spot. You're gonna be in Burbank, you know.
They're what keeps your community going. So, I feel like this is something that you gotta put a bite of everything in. Potato, a little bit of bacon, a little bit of egg.
You gotta make it all in your mouth though, bro.
Yo, that's money, Greg. You need a napkin?
Good?
I'm gonna take one more bite because I'm bored.
I'm gonna try.
It also has tomatoes and onions, avocado.
Boy, do I hate eggs. I'm just gonna do it. Don't even think about it for now.
You don't really taste the eggs. You ever had an omelet before?
You know, back in my younger days when I was a baby.
You need to get that ketchup in there, bro. Like if you like omelets, man, like this is perfect omelet. I've never been really a big omelet person. I never go to like a diner and be like, oh no, let me get your #1 omelet. Never been the thing. But this right here, man, I'm not gonna lie. This stuff right here is delicious. It's money. And potatoes on point.
Yeah. You gotta add a little salt to them, but.
And then we also got pancakes.
What didn't we get?
Because I wanted to try their pancakes. Like, you know, a diner's not a diner without pancakes. And you take that with all of this right here, bro, game over. I'll hit the spot. All right.
You know what I went back to? My roots.
We also got another one here. We got something called the Polish. So it's got Polish sausage. It's got white cheese instead of orange cheese. I don't know what cheese. This is Swiss cheese, maybe.
Instead of orange cheese?
Yeah, maybe Swiss cheese. It looks like Swiss cheese. Could be Swiss cheese. It's got Polish sausage. It's got mushrooms. You got potato. It's got bacon. Polish sauce. That's just bomb, though. But yeah, it's another omelet. Let's try it out.
Where's the ketchup at?
It's about to catch up right now.
That was clever. Real clever, bro.
So this place does get packed on like, it's a Saturday, just so you know. It gets pretty packed on a Saturday. I was here earlier. I was supposed to, you know, calendar said 10 o'clock. Breaking stereotypes. Anyways, I was there like 10 o'clock and this place was bobbing. Like, no one wanted to pay attention to me. No one wanted to, like, it was packed.
That's the first time ever for you, huh?
Yeah, so when you come out here, also make sure that you're ready for that. I'm gonna wait a little bit. And parking can get a little stuffy.
Yeah.
I had to park outside of the restaurant, but it's Burbank.
Yeah, people come in and out, so.
Yeah.
I mean, but you can eat and park. But nobody? Tim didn't even smile for that one, guys. I was thinking I would get him, but nobody. Nobody, buddy.
Nobody does it better.
Okay, Nate. Dog.
All right, let's try this.
God damn. Save some. You got the best one?
No, that one.
That one is the California?
But the sausage is good.
Where's the sausage at? Oh, right there.
I still like the California better, but the Polish sausage in there sounds mad. It's very, very good.
All right. I just want to try the sausage. I'm done with the egg. I'm over the egg.
In case you guys didn't know, Trinell doesn't like egg.
Yeah.
You ever eat next to someone and you just want to slap the fork out of their hand? I don't know, it just popped in my head right now. But they also gave us toast.
Never had that before.
We're giving you everything, son. Everything we're getting, I'm getting you. So we also got toast. Now, if a diner can't get toast right, you think they get anything else right? I mean, they got the butter right. I mean, they gave us, bro. I mean, like, I think they gave us like a total of maybe 2 sticks of butter.
Yeah, who doesn't like butter though? It's like the perfect
But I'm
amount.
saying, like, most places only give you these tiny square cubes.
Yeah.
Yo, they give you bowls.
And it's pretty fresh butter. That's the best toast you ever had, huh?
Sourdough.
Be careful with that knife, bro.
This is the best.
He about to stab
Butter
himself
knife.
in the eye and shit.
The best butter knife I've ever seen in my life. Look at this. This is like,
That's Sonny's pocket knife right there.
that's what I'm talking about. So I'm being held against my will here at Eaton Park.
Eden Park. Like Eden Park?
But they're feeding me breakfast dessert.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
So here's the thing. This is not on the menu yet. By the time you see this,
It'll
it
be
should
on
be on the menu. But they have Cocoa Puffs. They got
Pebbles.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Fruity Pebbles, or Fruit Loops. Sorry, Fruity Loops. Fruity Loops. And then it comes with strawberry ice cream. And then you got the whipped cream wrapped around it with the slices of strawberry and some Fruit Loops. Like, come on. Come on. So you know what I'm gonna do? Should I pour it on?
Do it.
Ooh, strawberry ice cream hidden right underneath.
Oh, it is.
Oh,
I thought he
is.
was joking. He's not playing, bro. So I'm waste stuff, man.
I'm gonna retire. I'm done.
There is an ice cream under here. I'm not lying.
Yo,
Let's try it, dog.
that's that big boy bite that we talk about. It's like Sonny hasn't eaten in like 6 days, you know? I don't ever want to feel like this again.
I'm breaking my heart, man. Fuck, dude. Dude, that's so good.
I'll never be hungry again.
So the waffle, the ice cream, a fruit, and
And the cereal.
the Fruit Loops worked really, really well.
I thought it would be too sweet
Yeah.
with the syrup, but it's not.
You need the syrup.
You need the syrup.
Yeah.
Don't try and be like, oh, I didn't want all the sugar. If you don't want all the sugar, don't get this shit. That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying.
But yeah. Yeah, if you guys have enough room in your stomach after you guys eat, get this. You won't be disappointed.
I mean, I don't think you're gonna have room because all the food they gave us. But
So much food.
but if you can somehow muster together with your friends to be able to do this, then I would, because it's IG perfect. You know what I'm saying? If you want to take a little selfie with the waffle, I don't know how you're gonna take a selfie with the waffle.
Oh, I'll show you. Here.
Oh hell no.
Hey, selfie with the waffle, baby. Yeah, man, if you guys want to check this place out, we're going to leave all the information in the descriptions down below.
Right there.
Come check it out. It's in Burbank. And this is like a little mom and
Yes.
pop spot, man. Just come support your local businesses.
Dope.
Yeah,
Down the
check 'em
street
out.
from actual from the heart of Burbank.
Food's really good.
So if you want to stop here before you go watch a movie or something, or go shopping, shop till you drop, it's a dope spot.
They got a pretty extensive menu. So they have everything from omelets all the way down to like burritos if you want it.
And they're vegetarian friendly.
And they're vegetarian friendly.
Yeah, throw it out there.
But yeah, we're going to leave all the info in the description
Yeah.
down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Hit that bell notification so you get notified when we put out videos just like this.
Also hit that like button. It really helps out a lot. And
And lets us know you like us.
yeah. But we'll catch you on the next one.
Peace. Oh, you didn't say share with the family and
Fuck
friends?
it. Game over. We're good.